Prepositions of time are words that indicate when something happens.
I want to learn. Please teach me.
Hello， 大家好啊，我係小廖老師。今日咧會同低年級嘅同學溫下 prepositions of time 嘅，包括有 in、on、at。in、on、at 咧係我哋最常用嘅 prepositions of time 嚟嘅。咁咧，我哋不如一齊嚟溫習一下啊！一齊嚟跟我讀下以下嘅例子啊！ In the morning 喺早上 ，in April 喺4月 ，in 2025喺2025年 ，on Monday 喺星期一 ，on my birthday 喺我嘅生日 ，on July the 4th 係7月4號 ，at 7 o'clock 係7點正 ，at noon 喺正午 ，at night 喺晚上。好啦，我哋繼續嚟溫下 parts of the day。不如估一估呢4幅圖係邊4個時間啊？相信大家都估到啦，係 morning 早上 ，afternoon 下午 ，evening 傍晚同埋 night 夜晚嘅。跟住我嚟溫下 days of the week。大家仲記唔記得一星期7日有一啲咩字呢？有 Monday 星期一 ，Tuesday 星期二 ，Wednesday 星期三 ，Thursday 星期四 ，Friday 星期五 ，Saturday 星期六，同埋 Sunday 星期日嘅。大家一定要記住呢個閃星星筆記啊！in 我哋會用喺 parts of day，in the morning。In the afternoon, in the evening, month, in October. On 我哋可以用喺 day, on Monday, on Wednesday, 或者用喺 day 加 parts of day, on Tuesday morning, on Friday night. At 我哋可以用喺點數，即係 time, at 10 o'clock.At a quarter to 12， 而且可以用喺 specific parts of day at night。好，跟住落嚟咧就係例子啦。The concert starts 7:30 p.m. 咦，係一個點數嚟嘅喎。答案就係 at 啦，因為咧 at 係用喺一啲點數嘅。I have a doctor's appointment Monday morning. Monday morning 會用咩呢？係會用 on 㗎，因為 on 呢就係用喺 Monday morning 一個 day 加 parts of the day。I'm going to study the evening 用乜嘢呢？係 in 啦，因為呢 in 係用喺 parts of day。In the evening， 跟住落嚟咧都係要考考你下 Fabulous quiz time。Do you want to go to school together? The morning 係 in the morning 啊。Dad cooks dinner 7 o'clock 係 at 7 o'clock。Let's go to Disneyland Friday 係 on Friday 啊。I go to bed night on Fridays。今次咧我哋就用 at 啦。Elliot goes to the park 6:15 in the morning 係 at 6:15。My friends and I play football the afternoon 係 in the afternoon。Sam is going to have a birthday party Tuesday 係 on Tuesday 啊。 I help my mom cook lunch 11 o'clock. 係 at 11 o'clock. What do you like to do Saturdays? 係 on Saturdays 啊。Edmund tidies the room 5:30. 係 at 5:30. I usually go swimming at the beach the evening. 用 in the evening 就啱啦。Do you like to read books night? At night. 好啦，多謝你都係睇到最後，記得俾 like、subscribe 同埋 share。我係小鳥老師，下次喺閃星星再見你。如果你有啲乜嘢想學嘅，都可以喺下邊留言嘅。拜拜。